Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about WebSockets in Rust. We'll use Axiom to implement WebSockets in Rust with a very simple and basic example. So WebSocket is a communication protocol that provides full duplex communication channel over a single long-lived TCP connection. So you must have heard about chat application or stocks application or some other real-time applications where we have to immediately receive and get data. So in those cases we use WebSockets. Basically, they allow to receive and send messages from client to server using one common persistent TCP connection. So let's get started. First of all, we'll move to our cargo toml file, and here we need Axiom for our web server. We'll have version as latest and features as WS WebSockets, and Tokyo for our async programming. So if you have been following my Rust programming language series, you are well aware about Tokyo and Axiom. Once we have these, we'll just build. So you can use cargo at Axiom or cargo at Tokyo to also add these, but once these are added, I'll just move to main, and here first of all we'll add a socket handler. So here we'll just say async fn WebSocket handler, and we receive a WebSocket upgrade to response, and here we'll just say WebSocket on upgrade socket handle socket, and we'll pass the socket. Just let me explain you guys in a minute. Handle socket, and here we'll just say mutable socket WebSocket. So basically, when we get the first WebSocket connection request from the client, it's a WebSocket upgrade request, and the server will catch that upgrade request and upgrade the connection to a WebSocket connection, and then we have to continuously listen to this connection. So basically, if my client sends me any request, or if I want to send, I can send in that socket or using that socket. So we'll just say while let some okay message. So while we receive any message from our socket dot receive dot await, will match that message, because this message can contain multiple types. It could be a text message, so we go ahead and do something with the text, maybe just print it, got message from client, and here we'll just say text, or it could be a connection close message. So we go ahead and we print ln client disconnected, and here we just break out of this while that we have, or if it's anything else, then we just want to ignore it. So as you can see in the documentation or in the reference code, there is text, there is a binary, there is ping request, there is pong request, and then there is close. So you can handle any of these, but I'll just handle text and close for now. And in the text, when I receive some message, I want to reply as well. If you don't want to reply, you can, but I want to reply a formatted reply, just to show you guys how two-way communication is working. So we'll just say hello, I got your message, you said, and here we'll just say text, and along with the text we will print ln, sorry, we'll just send, we already printed. So we'll just say socket dot send and formatted response dot await dot unwrap. Something is wrong with the, oh sorry, yeah, we have to send it in the text. Yes, so basically we have a WebSocket handler which will listen to our WebSocket request. If it's upgrade connection request, it will just upgrade the socket, and then here we'll be keep on listening and replying to that particular socket. So let's go ahead and start our web server. So we'll just say async and add Tokyo man on the top, and here we'll just quickly say router new route. Now here I'm adding /send. You can add any that you want. We'll call our WebSocket handler, and then we'll just create a listener. Now if you have been following my series, you already know what's coming up next. We'll just spawn a server here by adding a port. So let's bend it to port 3001. Wait.unwrap, and then here we'll just say axiom serve listener app await unwrap. So this will just start our web server, and this we are listening on port 3001. /send is our WebSocket request, and currently we are handling two type of messages, a text message or a close message. And again, you can have your own logic here. Maybe you don't want to reply immediately, you want to reply later, then you have to keep WebSocket in some kind of cache, but I'm just replying right now. So let's go ahead and start our web server. So first of all, we'll just open our terminal, and here we'll just say cargo run --byte. Okay, since our web server has started with no errors and it's running, we'll go ahead in any of the testing tool that you guys wanna test with. Make sure that it supports WebSockets. I'll be using Postman. So here we'll just say WS and our address, that is 3001/send. So let's send a connect request. Okay, as you can see, it says connected. Now let's send a message. So we'll say hello send, and then if we see in our response window, as you can see, it says hello was sent by us, and the server sent hello, I got your message. And even if I send another message, hello, I am client, how are you, and we send another message, as you can see, we sent hello, I'm client, how are you, and the server replies hello, I got your message, you said hello, I'm client, how are you. So that's how it works. And let's disconnect and get back to our IDE. So here, as you guys can see, it prints all the logs. We sent two messages and then we disconnected, so it prints client disconnected. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys understand the concept. That's how WebSockets work in Rust, and that's how easily we can just implement in Rust. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments. I'll be happy to help. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.